Alright guys, I've got something exciting for you today. We're talking about 8 online jobs that pay $15 an hour or more and are perfect for students, beginners, or anyone looking to kickstart their freelancing career. My team and I have spent hours researching and breaking down these opportunities so that you can hit the ground running. If you appreciate all the work that we put into this, then go ahead and gently tap that like button. Oh, and quickly heads up, if you're serious about freelancing, I've got something extra for you. My Next Gen Freelancer video series is packed with strategies to help you start strong, but it's only available for a limited time, so please don't miss out. The link is pinned in the comment below, along with a freebie of my Upwork proposal templates. Now, before we jump into the first job, let me know in the comments, what is your dream online job? Or if you already are a freelancer, then what's the best job that you've ever done? Let's dive right in. Social media management is perfect for creative individuals who love being online. Your role could include creating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing what works best for businesses or influencers. Where to find these jobs? Start on Upwork or Fiverr to find clients that are looking for social media help. You can also reach out to local businesses or small brands on Instagram and Facebook. Pro tip, offer free audit for their social media account as a way to start the conversation. This often leads to paid opportunities. Data entry is one of the simplest ways to get started in freelancing. Tasks can include transferring data into spreadsheets, organizing documents, or converting PDFs into Word files. Where to find these jobs? Platforms like Upwork, Freelancers, and People Per Hour have plenty of data entry jobs. Avoid low-paying sites like Amazon, Mechanical Turk, as they are often undervalue your work. Pro tips, focus on accuracy and meeting deadlines to build your reputation and attract higher-paying clients. Freelance writing is a great way to earn money if you enjoy creating content. You can write blog posts, email campaigns, website copy, or even sale pages. Where to find these jobs? Upwork, Freelancer, and Pro Blogger are excellent platforms to start. Networking on LinkedIn can also help you connect with potential clients. Pro tips, specializing in a niche like finance, health, or tech can help you stand out and charge premium rates. Graphic design is ideal if you have an eye for visuals. You can create logos, social media graphics, or website banners. Beginners can use Canva, while advanced designers can use tools like Photoshop and Illustrator. Where to find these jobs? Start on Fiverr, Upwork, or 99 Designs. You can also pitch your services to local businesses or network through LinkedIn. Pro tip, build a portfolio showcasing your best work. Even a sample project can make a big difference when pitching to your client. Virtual assistants help businesses with administrative tasks like managing schedules, responding to emails, and booking appointments. This role offers a lot of variety and flexibility. Where to find these jobs? Upwork, TimeX, and Fancy Hand are great places to find virtual assistant gigs. You can also pitch your services to small businesses directly. Pro tip, highlight your organizational and communication skills to stand out. Offering specialized services like social media management or customer support can also boost your rate. With video content booming, platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are the demand for video editors is higher than ever. You'll help creators refine their content and make it stand out. Where to find these jobs? Upwork and Fiverr are great for beginners. You can also connect with creators directly on Instagram or TikTok to offer your services. Pro tip: spend a weekend learning basic editing software like DaVinci, Resolve, or Adobe Premiere Pro. Even basic skills can help you land your first gig. Web development sounds complicated, but it's easier than you think. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace allows you to create professional websites without having to code. Where to find these jobs? Start on Upwork or TopTill to find web development projects. Join Facebook groups for small business owners or pitch your services to local businesses. Pro tip: start with a small, simple project to build your confidence. As your skills begin to improve, you can charge much higher rates. If you're fluent in more than one language, translation is a valuable skill. Tasks might include translating books, documents, or marketing material for businesses. Where to find these jobs? Check out Upwork, Gungo, or Praz for translation gigs. Specialized platforms like 1 Hour Translations are also good options. Pro tip: focus on high-demand fields like legal or medical translation to earn premium rates. And there you have it, 8 online jobs that are perfect for students or anyone looking to boost their income online. Before you go, don't forget to check out my Next Gen Freelancers video series. It's designed for fast-track your freelancing success. The link is pinned in the comment and the spots are limited. Plus, as a bonus, I've added my free Upwork proposal templates in the pinned comments to help you land clients faster. Let me know in the comments in which job excites you the most and share with your freelancing story. I would love to hear it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who is ready to start their freelancing journey. See you in the next one. Until then, be freelantastic.